Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making our own PC gaming setup on here. I've actually made one before, so I'm kind of used to this, so we're going to do this. First thing that we should do is desks, because, yeah. How big would that be? That's pretty big. Alright, we're going to go with this one. So, alright, monitors, should we go with the curved? We're gonna probably have 5 monitors in total here. So, let's take this one. Hit replace selected. So, when we're, oh, dang, it's levitating. Don't want our stuff levitating now, do we? Alright, so we're gonna take this, that's way too far up. Bring it over here like that. Or no, watch, this is pretty cool. Well, we're just gonna add another monitor. We're gonna have at least 2 monitors here. Why did everything gotta be levitating, bro? Kinda weird. Alright, so that's pretty much lined up. Maybe this can go forward a little bit. Alright, now that's lined up perfectly. Almost perfectly. Pretty much perfectly. It should go up one side more. That's probably good. Let's just move this over a little bit, because we're going to put some stuff over there. Alright, we're gonna put no stand on this, and we're gonna go like this, guys. So this is the cool part. I've done the tutorial. Hold on, I'm gonna replace this. Replace it. It's bigger monitor. Alright. We're gonna rotate it to be like this. So let's see how that looks. That looks pretty good. And now this is where I love this thing. We're gonna do no stand and hit add. Cause hold on. Let's go over here. Bring that over here a little bit. So yeah, we're gonna have 5 monitors. It's gonna be really cool, guys. Just trust me on this. It's a slow process, but trust me. So we're gonna bring this over here. Gotta get a wider view. Bring that up here. Alright. 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 Like that. Turn it that way a little bit. Just go like this. How well does that line up? I'll probably bring that forward. Down a little bit. I want to line up this over here a little bit. And we gotta do the same thing on the other side. So we're just gonna pull this forward. Move it side, bring it back, probably get rid of that part, and just hit R. Alright, there we go. Then alright. So that's pretty cool. Alright. Now let's go on to the mouse pad real quick. Hold on. Let's go with this one. It's pretty good. We're gonna bring this down a little bit. We're gonna bring this up forward because I like my things really far forward. Oh, we need space. You always gotta have your space, you know. All right, we're gonna take this. All right, keyboards. I'm not sure what I should do. 60% keyboards. We're probably gonna go with this. We could do white, gray, red, and black. There's barely any red. I gotta replace selected with that. Why is that levitating, bro? Levitating. Alright. So this is what it looks like so far. I'm not really gonna change the mouse at all because there's only 2 mouses. And you can't change how they look, so. And the speakers and audio equipment. We're gonna take this sound bar. Right, we're gonna place a few of these down actually. So go like this. Bring it back so it's like covering pretty much the stand. So like that. We're gonna add a few of these. So well, we're gonna add 2. Just want them covering the stand for good audio, you know. So we can bring that back. And bring this down. And then yeah, so that's how you pretty much do that. We're gonna add a microphone. You of course, you know, all gamers know you need to have a microphone. And of course, it's gotta be levitating. All right. And we're gonna hit R because we need to rotate this because nobody likes having a forward-facing microphone. And we're probably gonna want an audio interface. So this is why we have some space open over here for it. I know it's not the best, but hey, you gotta work with what you got. Alright, bring this down to right there. And if you're a music producer, you can add keyboard thingamajig. I accidentally added 2, but I need to go see the nook how to delete stuff. Camera controls, choosing my desk, adding objects. Alright, so I gotta hit this, and then I gotta hit all that backspace, yeah. Alright, there we go. You always learn something new every day. I mean, we could do a laptop, but hey, who likes laptops though? We gotta get a phone, computer. We're probably just gonna add a normal desktop computer. Could place it over there, but for this build, we're gonna go and place it down here. Not sure how low it can really go. Alright, we got that perfect on accident too. Alright, so actually we're gonna rotate this so it's facing like this. Alright, and this way, and back. So that's how you do that. We need to actually add a studio monitor speaker. Well, actually, we're gonna delete that. Because we have the sound bars. Oh, 2 stupid dogs, bro. And all you really need to add now is a gaming chair, which that's pretty much placed perfectly. For display, right now, I'm probably just gonna go like this and then rotate it, cause for reasons. And then now this is a pretty dope gaming setup. You gotta admit. Hold on, I'm gonna move this so you can see the PC better. But this is a dope PC gaming setup. I do this through desk spacing, and it's really good. I've actually made another one. I could probably show you. I got a lot of crap on my Gmail, bro. Gotta make sure. Alright. hold on. This is the one I made the other day. I mean, last night. Load, won't you? Dang, how long does it take to load? Yeah, but yeah, so desk spacing has all this and just got miscellaneous crap. They don't have headsets, which kind of sucks. Because you never know, you could, like, for audio mount and stuff. Then it's just taking a while to load. I can't really show you that. But yeah, because you can add your monitors, you could probably slant these two. But pretty dope. Recommend checking out desk spacing, because you can get a lot of cool, you can figure out like what would work for like your environment, you know, and stuff. And you can change the layout, you can do whatever you want. So go check out desk spacing. Yeah, see you guys later. This is a pretty cool setup, not gonna lie. I will probably come out with later videos of like, probably won't actually, but I'm probably just gonna go make them on my free time, of like different kinds of setups, like gaming setups and like music creator setups. This one's like a streaming and gaming setup and Discord monitor and stuff. So yeah, so you guys check in on me next time. It's really easy to make, actually. Doesn't take too long. Pretty easy. Just do the beginner's tutorial if you need any help, because it covers pretty much everything you need to know. And yeah, see y'all next time. Which, pretty dope. And then just to save it, you go like that, and then hit copy, and then paste wherever you want it to. Which I'll probably paste this in the description below. You guys go check that out. And bye, guys.